Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, or how Netflix knows exactly what show you'll love next? Welcome to the fascinating world of deep learning. What if I told you that inside these AI systems lies a complex network that mimics our own brain? Deep learning is like a massive digital brain, consisting of layers upon layers of artificial neurons, each one helping to process and understand information. But here's the mystery. Do we really know what happens inside this black box? Think about it. When a deep learning model makes a decision, can we trace exactly how it reached that conclusion? Unlike traditional programming, where we can follow the logic step by step, deep learning often works in ways that even its creators can't fully explain. What makes it even more intriguing is how these systems learn from experience, just like humans do. How do we ensure these powerful systems make decisions we can trust? As we continue to deploy deep learning in critical areas like healthcare and autonomous vehicles, understanding what happens inside the black box becomes crucial. Want to learn more? Check out these resources. 1. Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow, the go-to textbook for understanding the fundamentals. 2. Google's AI Experiments website, where you can interact with deep learning models firsthand. 3. Stanford's CS231 and course materials, freely available online for diving deeper into neural networks. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're bringing you new AI insights every single day.